Hey everybody, this is Clee Crocker, Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. I'm here in Thornton today. We just shot some videos all about the top 5 dishwashers year to date so far. And one of the things I said is that the #1 sought after brand right now is Bosch. That's no surprise. Bosch has always been very famous for their dishwashers. There's always been one consistent complaint on Bosch, and that is drying time. I open my dishwasher up and it doesn't dry. So I want to explain that to you. There's actually a reason for that, which a lot of the new Bosches have corrected with new technology. But let's just talk to any stainless steel dishwasher because they'll all have the same problem. So in order to help save energy, a lot of dishwashers don't use as much heat as they used to dry dishes. Sometimes they don't use heat at all. They rely on how hot the dishes are on the inside and how much cooler the sidewalls are that are stainless steel. So this is one of the benefits of stainless steel. So you ever notice how when you're in the shower and you get out of the shower, you're taking a nice hot shower, all that steam goes straight for the mirror? That's because that mirror is cooler than what's coming out of the shower. Well, the same thing works on the inside of a dishwasher. The dishes are really, really hot. And the sidewalls, although they're hot, they're cooler than the dishes. So all that moisture, given it enough time, will go over to the sidewalls and drain down the bottom of the dishwasher, leaving the dishes dry. So what is the #1 complaint for a Bosch? Well, it doesn't dry my dishes. Why is the #1 complaint there? Because people open up a Bosch dishwasher before it's done. Those Bosches are so quiet, you cannot tell when it's done unless you look at the indicator on the control panel, a little bit of light, or the light on some of the Bosches, they'll shine on the floor when they're done. If you'll wait for that to turn on and then open your dishwasher, you're gonna find your dishes are a lot drier because you haven't interrupted the drying cycle. So that's your tip from the expert today.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.